Hey guys, welcome to the video, welcome to the course. My name is Hasib and I'm going to teach you how to run Facebook ads for wellness clinics. Before I introduce myself, let me tell you I'm very excited that you're here, that you've started this video, that you've started this course, and you have become a part of this community. And I can guarantee the resources in this community, including this course and the other resources we have in the community and the courses learning section, are going to definitely help you increase the amount of traffic you're generating, increase the amount of leads, potential clients you're generating for your wellness clinic. Now, let's talk about this video, and just let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Hasib and I'm a YouTuber. I'm a Facebook ad expert, a Google ad expert, and also an automation expert. I create automated systems for wellness clinics and also help them run their Facebook ad campaigns. So I have run multiple Facebook ad campaigns for chiropractors, for med spas, for stem cells, loads of stem cell clinics, and I've run successful campaigns, I've run failed campaigns as well. I've spent hundreds of hours in running campaigns like these. So what I'm going to teach you is two things. Number one, what are the techniques you need to apply to your campaign to get the best possible result, the maximum number of leads, the maximum quality of leads through your Facebook ad campaign. And number two, what are the things that you need to be careful about so Facebook doesn't restrict you, because you will be running Facebook ads in a medical niche and the algorithm is very sensitive to certain things. So I'm going to teach you what are the things that you need to be careful about, you need to avoid in your campaign, in your ad copy, and in your image. So let's get started without further ado. Let's go to the next step. What we will learn. So first of all, we are going to learn how to prepare your Facebook to run ads for your wellness clinic. Now, we are not talking about Facebook campaign. We are talking about your Facebook page, how to prepare that, make that ready to run ads for your wellness clinic. And I've mentioned Facebook page, but we also need a few other things. Don't worry, everything you need to know, everything you need to have and to prepare, I'm going to teach you everything. So you don't have to worry about anything here. How to create ad copy and creative. So I'm going to tell you how you can write ad copy that converts. I'm going to also show you how we create images, how we edit videos or stuff like that to use them in our ad campaigns. How to stay compliant. This is a very important step. So remember when I told you that there are certain things you need to avoid, certain things you need to be careful about. That's the stuff we are going to learn in how to stay compliant, how to optimize your ads for maximum ROI. This is really important. This is after you publish your campaign. And most importantly, how to scale, because at the end of the day, we always want to scale and always want to go to the next level, no matter where we are. So who is this course for? So this is for any kind of wellness clinic, because we will be specific to running ads for wellness clinics like chiropractors, med spa, pain management, regenerative medicine, dermatology, weight loss clinics, aesthetic, anything that falls under health, advanced health, medical wellness clinics and stuff like that. So if you need to get more patients for your clinic, you can't really miss this. Now in the next video, we're going to start learning what you need to know in terms of running ads for your campaign. We're going to go through some theory lessons, and then we're going to deep dive into the technical stuff. So make sure you watch the whole thing, and best of luck.